Hey ladies and gents, so today I'm going to, as briefly as possible, show you how you can apply a texture a checkered texture to your mesh for UVW unwrapping, but also how to scale it so that the checker pattern is smaller, because if you're like me, you don't really like having like a massive checker pattern on your mesh or your model, whatever. So in 3ds Max it was easy to just, go into the material editor and just scale it like that, but in Blender it takes a little bit extra work. So let's get into it. I'm going to use the EV renderer. Come up here to viewport shading. Now down here we need two windows, so come down here and click up like that, and then click across like that. Come up here to UV editor, and we're going to add a new texture. I'm going to call it UVW underscore pattern. I'm doing it in capital letters because I think that sometimes it's nice if it just blaringly stands out, especially if you've got like a long list of stuff. So UVW pattern blank UV grid. Okay. Now if we come over here and come up here to shader editor, what we need to do now, is add a new one like that. So click on new, and we need to come over here to press Shift and A, go to, let's see, texture, I think image texture. So Shift A, add texture, image texture, bring this there, and we're going to use our UV pattern. Okay, from here we're going to connect this to the base color like that, and as you can see it's now applied, but we want to make it scale so that texture pattern, the checkers are smaller. So I'm just going to move this across a bit more, and now we're going to add what's called a mapping node. So Shift A, where's it gone? Vector. So Shift A, vector mapping. Put this next to it, connect this vector to this vector, and then we're going to add another vector. I think it's another vector if I remember correctly. So Shift A, vector, and there we go. Let's see, texture, where's it gone? Texture coordinate, there we go. So in Shift A, input texture coordinate, put that there, and then we're going to come down here to UV. Not sure if you can see this properly. There we go. So this is what I have so far. Mapping from Shift A vector, and then Shift A input texture coordinate, then come to UV and put this into the vector here. Okay, now what you have to do is come down here to scale and turn it to like, I don't know, 0.5 by 0.5 by 0.5, and it should in theory be scaling it. It's kind of frozen out. There we go. Or you can turn it to 2 by 2 by 2 to make it bigger like that. That's roughly the sort of size that I like to work with when it comes to things like this. But yeah, that's pretty much what you need to do. Just make sure that even if you do anything, just make sure that you copy these. Take a screenshot, pause the video, whatever you want to do, and just remember Shift A. The first one is Shift A input texture coordinate. The second one is Shift A vector mapping, and then the third one is Shift A texture image texture, and then just do what we did there, and you should be able to do it now. Maybe 1.5 by 1.5 by 1.5. There we go. That's not much of a difference, is it? It's 5, 5, 5. Okay, there we go. So I hope that helped you guys out, because it was really frustrating me. I wanted to UVW unwrap some of my work, but I couldn't because I couldn't work this part out. So I hope that helped you guys. If you've got any questions, then please leave a comment in the description. All right, thanks guys, and have a good day.